Imagine unlocking a smartphone that doesn't just respond to your touch, but seems to understand you before you even say a word. And that's exactly the kind of experience the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is promising. So stay with me because what Google is packing into this phone might completely change how you think about Android flagships. Right from the start, Pixel fans are buzzing because Google isn't playing it safe this time. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is shaping up to be smarter, faster, and more personal than any Pixel before it. And the moment you hear about its new AI-driven features, you'll understand why people are already calling it the most intelligent smartphone Google has ever built. At the heart of this device is Google's next-generation Tensor G5 chip, designed not just for raw speed but for real-world intelligence, meaning apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and on-device AI works seamlessly without relying heavily on the cloud, which also boosts privacy. This chip powers advanced AI features like real-time call summaries, smarter voice typing that understands context, AI photo editing that can remove objects, fix blurry faces, and even relight scenes with a single tap, and a personal assistant that feels less like software and more like a helpful companion that learns your habits over time. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to feature a massive 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, stunning brightness for outdoor visibility, and adaptive color tuning that adjusts based on what you're watching, making everything from Netflix to gaming look incredibly immersive. Battery life is another area where Google seems to be stepping up, with a larger battery optimized by AI that predicts your usage, cuts power to unused apps, and easily pushes through a full day and beyond, while fast wired charging and improved wireless charging keep you moving without long waits. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Pixels usually dominate, and the 11 Pro XL looks ready to raise the bar again with a refined triple camera system featuring a powerful main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and an upgraded periscope telephoto lens capable of stunning long-range zoom without losing detail. Google's computational photography, combined with new AI tools, is expected to deliver jaw-dropping low-light shots, more natural skin tones, cinematic video stabilization, and smart video features that automatically enhance audio, reduce background noise, and keep subjects perfectly in focus. Performance-wise, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or juggling heavy apps, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is built to stay cool and smooth, and with deep Android optimization, everything feels fast without draining the battery. Google is also expected to launch this phone with the latest Android version out of the box, packed with exclusive Pixel features and years of software and security updates, making it a long-term investment rather than just another yearly upgrade. As for the launch, all signs point to a fall release, likely around October, aligning with Google's traditional Pixel event, and trust me, that launch could come with a surprise twist that Pixel fans won't see coming. Before we wrap up, here's something that might surprise you. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to include an AI-powered safety and personalization feature that adapts the phone's behavior based on where you are and what you're doing, a feature Google hasn't officially teased yet, and if it's real, it could be a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's the final surprise for those who stayed till the end. Some insiders believe Google may lock one exclusive AI feature to the Pixel 11 Pro XL only, at least for the first year, which means owning this phone could give you access to something no other Android user in the world has, and that alone might make it the most exciting Pixel ever.